Hey there, so I'm going to go through a couple of things with division just to make sure that you're good. Oh, I've got a reflection going on here. This one? Nope. This one? Yep. All right, we'll just ignore it. Anyway, here's what we do. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. So it's just like regular division. And we're going to do it. I think it's the 2 digits that you're probably having the hardest time with. So we're going to do, we'll do both with decimals. And without. So we're going to give it a decimal. Okay. So when it's set up like this, what we have to do is with the outside number, we have to make it a whole number. So we need to move this to make it a whole number. And so I moved it one place. I also have to move this one place. And I'm going to put that right there. And so the way I'm going to set my quotient up, which is my answer in a division problem, is by using almost like little hangman lines. And so above each number, I'm going to put a line. And so that I know something has to go in that exact place. So I'm going to erase all of this. My number is now 15 because I made it a whole number by moving a decimal. Move this decimal. And I've put it up here, and now I don't even need to bother with decimals anymore. I've set the problem up correctly, and I just ignore them. So my first thought is, how many times does 15 go into 2? Well, 15 can't go into 2. So how many times does 15 go into 26? Well, I know that 2 15s is 30, so that's too much, so it has to be 1. 1 times 15 is 15. 26 minus 15 is 9. Let me zoom out a little bit, because I'm going to have a guess and check area working now. So after I subtract, I bring down. This is the whole process of division. Now 15 goes into 98. Well, I'm not sure. I probably could try to do it in my head, but I have this work area over here called a guess and check. And so I think that it's going to be maybe like 6 of them. So let's see how many that is. 80, but I can get closer, right? So that means I'm going to do 15 times 7, 5, 30. Wait, what did I do wrong? Because it should be more than that. What am I missing? 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8. Oh, 7, 8, 9, 10. See? Too early in the morning for me, I guess. 105. Which is still not right. So it should be 95. This is 90. Here we go. See, teachers make mistakes too. But it's important to realize that, hey, something's not right here. Like this math doesn't add up. What am I doing wrong? And then go back and check. It was just simple addition. So 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 90. So that is as close as I'm going to get. So that is 6. 6 times 15 is 90. Subtract. Bring down. So 15 goes into 89. Well, I know that 6 times is too much, so it's got to be 15 times 5. Make sure I'm doing it right this time. 75. So 5. 75. So I'm not even going to finish this out because I've filled in all my spots now. Obviously, I don't need a 0 if it's out in front. So my answer is 1 65 hundredths. So the biggest thing that you're going to need to be able to do with a 2-digit divisor is this whole section over here. This is what's new to us. And so we have a guess and check area. This is how we can figure out, well, how many 15s go into this. And a lot of times the numbers are going to be bigger than this. So it's going to be, you know, how many 67s go into something. And the way you figure that out is by using this guess and check area. Well, I'm going to guess it's 6 67s and do the multiplication and do the work and figure it out because you don't know your 67 facts, right? So I want you to keep practicing. You should have some problems like this in your slideshow from last week with division. And just remember that you're going to do this guess and check piece on the side to kind of keep you straight. So this is for anybody who needs a little review or needs some help working through how to do the 2-digit divisors. So good luck.